Hello everyone! Are you wondering what omnisexual means? Let's explore. Omnisexual describes an attraction to all genders, similar to pansexuality, but often with a slightly different emphasis. Omnisexual individuals are open to romantic or sexual relationships with people of any gender, recognizing and appreciating the diversity of gender identities. Unlike pansexuality, which sometimes emphasizes gender blindness, omnisexuality may acknowledge and celebrate the differences in gender, seeing each as a distinct attraction. This orientation is inclusive and reflects a broad understanding of gender diversity. In essence, omnisexuality is about being attracted to individuals across the full spectrum of gender identities, embracing the richness of gender as part of the attraction. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.